Now, I got a big question here. I know we have some mothers with minor children, and this is not rhetorical. Do you know what would happen to your children if something happened to you?
Probably family. We have lots of family in the area.
Yeah, that's a good point, and it's great to have lots of family that want to take care of the kids, that's for sure. Hello, Weston. Thank you for being here. Okay, I'm going to give you guys the real answer here. So, uh, we'll talk about the kids in a second here. But if you don't have a plan, like I said, there's a default plan. You probably won't like it. And the big thing is the judge ultimately decides who gets custody of those minor children. That's a complete stranger trying to decide what is in the best interest of the kids without hearing from the parents. Both parents are gone in this instance or incapacitated. So what actually has to happen is something called a permanent guardianship proceeding. And this is court. Nobody really ever wins in court, though it's designed to move things along. That's a rigorous process. It's a complex process. It is expensive and it is lengthy. So, and Kaylee, like you said, you got lots of family around. The next slide will show us. But what happens if one in-law thinks another in-law is incompetent or won't take care of the kids well or well enough? Well, then they're going to be duking it out in court. I can't see if I'm seeing soft smiles from Weston or something, but that. So that actually can a blessing. Having lots of people that love your kids surrounding you, that could end up not so great in court, unfortunately. So the solution here is in your will, we get to nominate those guardians. So maybe you've chosen a couple to be the guardians. That's great. Maybe when one of them passes away, you don't want the other one to be a guardian, and that's fine. You can accommodate for that in your will. You can also nominate backups upon backups. If somebody doesn't want to do it, then you go to the next person in the will. If the next person has passed away, then you go to the next person. So that's one of the great things about a will is that's how you nominate those guardians.